RV manufacturers are going to be like, hey, we're going to put these really cool marker lights on top of your Class C and then force you to go through this to change them out. Not only that, but hey, let's add 7 tons of silicone on here so it's even more difficult to try and get it out or even replace it.